Hello dear students, let's check out this particular question now. In this question, a steel wire of length 10 meter is stretched through 1 millimeter. The cross-sectional area of wire is 4 millimeter square. The energy density of wire is, if Young's modulus of wire is given to us, 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. Now students, here it is talking about energy density, and energy density can be given by the relation energy per unit volume. Clear? And this can be given by half into stress into strain, or according to this particular question, I can write stress as Young modulus into strain. So this particular relationship will become half into Young modulus into strain square, which I further can write half into Young modulus into delta L over L whole square. Okay, and Young modulus is what? Young modulus is 2 into 10 to the power 11. Clear students? And delta L is what? Delta L is 1 mm. This I can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter over L is 10 whole square. So this will further become 1 by 2 into 2 into 10 to the power 11 into 10 to the power minus 6 over 10 to the power 2. Clear? So from here, this will become 10 to the power 9, this 2 will cancel out, and finally delta U by volume, that is energy density, will come out to be 10 to the power 3. Okay, 10 to the power 3 joule per meter cube. So this is my energy density. Let's check the solution. So option number 3 is the correct answer here. Okay, I hope this particular question is clear to you. Thank you.